officer wasn't working alone because... Had no respect for my opinion of what that might be.
Gitna kami naman eh.
Hala! Love! Bella, ubuhin ka. Bella, don't put your mouth in the glass, please.
What, mommy?
What? It's so dirty.
What, mommy?
What's that?
Day.
It's snowing. It's very snowy.
Wow. What, birds?
Yes.
Birds go in the other side.
Yes.
In the great job.
Yes.
Yung sila ni Delilah at si Casey.
Sila yung nag-iigawa.
Bye-bye.
Butterfly.
Yung ginagawa niya.
Uy, Bella. Ang tinitingnan mo?
Fan hooks here again. That work
Don't look at that. Uy,
can be pretty good sometimes. Things sure have changed.
paano yung tawa? Ha 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 ha.
Daddy, fun.
Sabi po.
Daddy.
Ha?
And mine and Daddy. They
Takot naman. Takot naman. Hindi na maroon si Lolo. Mahulog ka. Phonics. Bella Phonics. Oh, galing ni Bella ah. What's that? We're gonna go home.
No, I don't gonna go home.
Why?
McDonald's.
Are you hungry?
Yes,
Where you just ate?
yes.
Let's go home.
No, I go that way.
Which way?
That way.
Which way?
I will McDonald's center.
But we don't have money.
No,
Where's our money?
I will McDonald's.
You gotta keep your money, anak.
No,
Where's your money? Let's go home.
you guys go home.
Why?
Every day.
But we have to go home.
No, McDonald's.
Oh man. We're gonna get something from Tita Tinay first before buying McDonald's. toys?
Hey, buy some McDonald's.
You don't have money.
McDonald's.
Let's go home.
No, but you can go home.
Why? But we just bought McDonald's the other day. We cannot keep on buying. It's not gonna be like that. Let's just go home, okay?
No, but you can go home.
But we have to go home.
No, I don't like.
We gotta go home.
No, yes, Kitty. Yes, Kitty.
Mommy's not joking though.
Mom, it's got money.
Where's your money? Give me your money.
What's that?
Hala. Forgot. Go ahead. Baby, don't be scared of the things that could go on along the way. You get back with a smile. You can live ahead. We're gonna go to Tita Tinay first.
Yes. I had Tina and go McDonald's.
Yes, after Tita Tinay, we're gonna go to...
McDonald's.
That's right! Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay.
I had Tina.
Tita Tinay?
Yes.
Tita Tinay is at home.
Yes.
We gotta go pick up something.
Mom, hey. Daddy, Kitty.
Yes. Where's Tita Tinay?
Mommy. Play.
No, he's not home. I think she's working.
No.
Tita Tinay is working.
No.
Oh no. Tita Tinay is working. Oh no.
No. That's a best house.
Hmm?
Look, that's a beach house.
Turuan mo siya laba. Parang package lang. Ang bagal. Naiihina ako.
Second.
Are you ready? Wala pa nga. Oh my God. Ay, yan. Rico. Oh, let's go home na.
No.
Ang bagal. Nakatatakot.
It's scary.
Rico.
Ang liit ng Okay lang. Hindi na. Huwag mo
Ang bagal. Ang bagal. Ha?
One more time.
One more time. Daddy naman, Daddy. Daddy's turn.
No, it's the phone of Daddy.
Ha?
It's the
Last na lang yan. Uwi na tayo. Maganda yata pag yung gano'n, no? Oh. Nadaba pa. Last na, last na. Ang bagal. Ang bagal na Amazon. Ang pangit. That's what. Let's go na, let's go. Oh no, Daddy's running. Bilis na lang. Tinakasan. Come on. Last one. Oh, you make a snow angel na. Let's go home. Gonna go home na.
No, I go buy McDonald's.
We don't have money.
Mom,
Where's our money?
It's on the McDonald's.
the money will, McDonald's will ask for money for your McDonald's. What do you want in McDonald's?
It's over there.
What do you want in McDonald's?
It's burger.
That's it? Burger. Burger lang?
It's in french fries. And milk. And chocolate milk.
And what else? You tell daddy what you want in McDonald's.
And chicken nuggets.
Tell daddy. Daddy, can we buy?
Please.
Tell daddy what you want.
What you want?
What do you want in McDonald's? Ay, hindi na lang. Uwi na lang tayo. Look, oh. We're gonna go home na.
No.
Oh, tell daddy what you want.
What you want, Daddy?
Talk to daddy.
Oh,
Sila, what do you want to buy?
cheeseburger and fries.
Louder.
And
marinig.
burger.
Hindi ko marinig eh. What's that?
Burger.
Oh, sige.
Sige.
Let's go. Let's go.
So we go home. Mom, I'm so hungry.
Huh?
Mom, I buy.
I'm not the driver. You tell it to dad. Dad is driving. Oh no, I can see our house.
Let's go.
I think we're gonna head home na.
No,
Let's go.
no,
Uh-oh.
we keep going.
Did you utot?
Let's go. Let's go.
No,
Uh-oh. We're gonna head home.
no. Oh, oh no. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, hey. Stop. Hey, I go in the right side. I go now.
I told you we're going home.
No, I don't need going home.
You tell it to dad. I'm not the driver.
Dad. No.
What do you want?
McDonald's.
Oh, what do you want to buy?
Burger. Cheeseburger.
What else?
And french fries.
Nakita niya dumiretso tayo lang. Alam niya yung daanan eh.
Ano ba sabi niya? Wrong way daw.
Wrong way.
Wrong way.
Alam niya yung daanan.
Hindi daw